Does it happen to you too that you wake up in the morning with a lot of your plans, and when you start executing those plans, you find that your body does not have enough energy? You want to start but cannot take action. Then, when you look at the active life around you, you go into depression. In, in such a situation, you start feeling isolated and disconnected from others. A lot of negative thoughts start coming to your mind, and this depression sometimes increases so much that complaints like anxiety and panic attacks start happening. Do you also have health problems like digestive disorders, colon, bladder, and lower back problems? Such a pain in the body that you cannot even explain to anyone. You can't sleep at night, have fertility issues. Today I'm going to explain the root reason behind all these problems. The root chakra, or you can say that the Mooladhara chakra in Sanskrit. In this case, there are 99% chances that your root chakra is blocked. In this video, I will tell you everything about root chakra, and at the same time, I will also tell you how you can easily get rid of all these diseases by unblocking your root chakra. So, Namaste friends, my name is Chandra. Welcome to my channel Chandra's Life Mantras, where I talk about law of attraction, subconscious mind, chakras, NLP, and many other personal growth topics. If you love watching my videos, please like and share. You are my positive vibe. Please subscribe. Mooladhara chakra or root chakra. The 7 chakras represent the energy centers of the body. These chakras keep the body in a healthy balance that protects and heals it. The root chakra is the primary source of energy. The root chakra is a foundation of the body's anatomical structure. It is situated between the anus and the genitals at the base of the spine. Mooladhara is composed of 2 Sanskrit words, Moola, which means root, and base, which means support. Mooladhara, often known as the root chakra, is a chakra associated with the earth element. The root chakra radiates the color red. Balancing the root chakra prepares the way for the other 6 chakras to expand. When the root chakra is balanced, the person feels more secure, confident, energetic, and strong. So, now let me tell you about the characteristics of the root or Mooladhara chakra. The element of the root chakra is earth. The energy of the root chakra helps to recognize our strong connection to the earth, keeping us connected to our inner selves, promotes positivity and happiness in our lives. Root chakra is related to our primitive desire for survival, stability, and support. It also reflects our body's structure, including bones, tissues, and skin. Each of the 7 chakras is connected with a different color. Red is the primary color of the root chakra, representing basic emotions of power and energy. The color red is strongly associated with our bodily and mental urges for control and self. Root chakra's physical focus. Root chakra's physical focus. Our essential needs are food, water, shelter, and survival. Root chakra's primary goal is to meet these basic necessities. Overeating, hoarding of material goods, and excessive greed for money are some examples of bad manifestations of survival. These are symptoms of a blocked root chakra. When our basic survival needs are not fulfilled, our root chakra malfunctions, resulting in a separation from our earthly values. A balanced root chakra can bring emotional strength, such as the ability to let go of fear and anxiety. As a result, you will feel more grounded and secure. An imbalance in the root chakra can result in a range of mental diseases and stress, which can also have an impact on overall physical well being. Root chakra balancing. Because the root chakra is said to be survival center, it is the most instinctive of all chakras. It is important to stabilize the foundation of the body in order to feel whole. So now let me tell you the symptoms of a blocked root chakra. When the root chakra is blocked, it can induce mental tension that manifests physical feelings of sluggishness or depression, ability to act, feeling of disconnection and isolation, anxiety or panic attacks, digestive problems, problems with the colon, bladder, and lower back are examples of health difficulties. Pains in the body that are not explained, problems with reproduction, insomnia. So, these all are the symptoms when the Mooladhara chakra is blocked. How to unblock root chakra, Mooladhara chakra? There are various methods for clearing your root chakra. One method is to practice a grounding meditation. Regular yoga practice also promotes physical and mental power in the body. Repeated positive affirmations help unblocking root chakra. Here are some positive affirmations that can help opening root chakra. You can pause the video and write these affirmations. So these affirmations are like, I am feeling safe and secure. My roots are deep. I have been grounded. I have found my inner calm. I am more confident and brave. I have self-esteem and take care of myself. I am open to any and all the possibilities. You can also balance the root chakra with some yoga poses. Yoga poses practice helps to integrate the body, mind, and soul. This promotes in the integration of the body's circulating energy centers. Specific yoga asanas, or you can say yoga poses, help in the discharge of excess chakra energy, which is as crucial, equally stimulating chakras to gain energy. These yoga poses are designed to unblock root chakra. The results of these yoga poses bring tremendous change in your personality. Corpse pose, Shavasana, allow the earth underneath you to totally support you and let go of every stress in your body with each inhalation and exhale. Remind yourself, I am safe, I am supported. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar. Sun salutation assists you in accessing your inner strength and connection to the earth, from which you will sense a slow, continuous buildup of heat. As you connect with each inhale and exhale, you will feel a sense of power and focus. As you progress deeper into your moving meditation, you will note how the mind surrenders to the present moment. If it's more comfortable for you, close your eyes. Child's pose, Shashankasana. This allows you and your entire body to unwind. Consider how it feels to be entirely supported by the ground beneath you. Accept this balance of surrender and support as it guides you through your exercise. Half bridge pose, Ardha Setu Bandhanasana. This position allows your feet to be firmly planted on the ground. Simultaneously, the spine draws out excess root chakra energy and also simulates the throat and heart chakra. Hanumanasana, monkey pose. The monkey pose is one of the yoga's most challenging posture. Has a range of mental and emotional benefits as well as physical strengthening effects. Monkey pose simulates the root chakra and sacral chakra. Opening these chakras promotes productivity and inner acceptance. Garland pose, Malasana. Our feet are our roots and we sense the vitality of the earth via them. Tuck your toes under as you lay on your knees to awaken the fascia of your feet's soles. Hold the position for 1 minute before releasing. Uttasana, forward bend while standing. Uttasana, forward bend while standing. Uttasana, a wonderful pose for calming the mind. It assists us in finding our center and peace. Simultaneously, it extends the hamstrings and reduces stress through the back. Warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2. Veerbhadrasana translates as fierce warrior. This position stimulates the body's natural flow of energy while keeping both feet firmly on the ground, allowing you to reach deeper into your inner stores of power and determination. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. This yoga asana strengthens the legs and enhances balance, concentration, and focus. It activates the root chakra, which regulates the function of the big intestine and adrenals. It also tones and strengthens the tendons and ligaments of the feet. Tree pose relaxes the hip joints and inner thighs. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Tadasana strengthens the spinal muscle and improves posture. This yoga asana restores the natural alignment of the body. Regular practice of this asana increases mental awareness by bringing about feelings of tranquility and peace of mind. The mountain pose allows us to feel centered and focused by balancing and relaxing. Reconnecting with Mother Nature. Nature therapy is one of the most powerful techniques to cure not only the root chakra but our entire being. We lose touch with nature and the land as we spend more time indoors. As a result of modern work culture, a lack of exposure to outdoors can be poisonous and exhausting on the mind. This causes worry, a lack of self-confidence, and a blockage of the root chakra. Sometimes the only therapy we require is time spent walking in refreshing nature. The sensation of the grass beneath our feet, the fragrance of the ocean wind, the sound of the chirping birds, and a moment of privacy beneath the shade of a tree all contributes to a sense of serenity and harmony. When the root chakra is awakened and energy is flowing freely, it brings happiness into our life in all areas. A deep link to our earthly impulses is created by healthy and balanced root chakra. It boosts one's general confidence and sense of self worth. The energy of the root chakra enables everyone to generate strength and patience during difficult circumstances. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you have something to say, please have a comment. Thank you very much. Namaste once more. Goodbye.